Self-adhesive labels are used in a wide range of industries, from health and beauty, food, beverage, wine and spirits, to pharma, durables, and chemicals. Now, all these different industries and end-use applications have different requirements, so there's no one-size-fits-all technology. Let's take a closer look at self-adhesive labels for the chemicals industry. Industrial or household chemicals can be toxic, so lifelong legibility of labels carrying safety information is essential. They should be rub and scratch resistant to avoid any crucial information becoming illegible due to wear and tear. Oops, the same goes for any spills. Labels on industrial or household chemicals should have a good resistance to these chemicals. And no matter how long these products are used or how long they're sitting on the shelves, their information shouldn't fade and their colors should remain their vibrant selves. What else? Ah yes, most brand owners prefer a tactile look and feel. Now, is there any technology that can meet all these requirements? Yes, there is. For tactile labels that remain legible despite rubbing and scratching or chemical spills, and at the same time don't fade when exposed to light, Xeikon recommends UV inkjet. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all technology, but we can advise you on the best fit for your applications.